So this is a really quick video from my live stream showing you how to set up Creative Cloud at home. So you would have received an email of some sort. You've probably got one from Dan or Nick or Rach, depending what course you're on. Or if you're unlucky enough and you're in all of our courses, you would have got one from each. With obviously in your emails there is a link which is creativecloud.adobe.com. So if you click on that link there, it'll open up your browser and then you can log into it. Now according to this, I've already logged in, so what we're going to do is we're going to sign out of Adobe just so we can do it like as fresh. So make sure you enter your college email here. Do not, under any circumstances, click the continue with Google button, because the problem with that is where everyone's kind of issues are sort of coming from. So if you've got like your own Google account, then that is what's going to sort of try and log itself in, and you can download a trial as opposed to the actual version. So don't click the continue with Google button. Make sure you type in your full email address. So there's mine, continue, and then when you come to this screen, make sure you click company or school account. That's really important. Because what that does is that lets you log into Adobe's account that we have with the college as opposed to your own personal one. So make sure you click on that. Obviously enter your password. Mine's already in. And then, hey presto, this is then Creative Cloud from home once it decides to load, which will be great. So what you can do is obviously just literally click across the top to where it says all your apps. You can click on that. And then you can download whichever apps you so desire. So you've obviously got Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Prem, Lightroom, After Effects, Lightroom Classic, Dreamweaver, Audition, etc., etc. So you can literally just click on download, and then you can download as many apps as you want. And all of these will come up as the non-trial version because it's running through the college's Adobe account as opposed to any other. If you're one of the CTech double students, this information is already on your Google Classroom because Jane has done it for you lovingly. Otherwise, if you're looking back at the newsletter, you'll see it's on page number 1. If I flick over to Steve, it is gloriously written on the right hand side for you. So if in doubt, check your email from Steve with the TechNet Newsletter. The steps are all on there. Otherwise, just follow the steps I just went through, and it's really nice and straightforward. So I'm probably going to download these after the stream's done. Otherwise, the quality will decrease massively. So I'm not going to do what happened to Steve in one video, where he goes from being quite unshaven to then shaved and quite trim, as obviously the internet died. But yeah, that's how you do it. So just make sure you don't click the button that says sign in with Google, because that is the thing that destroys everything. So yeah, make sure you avoid that at all costs. But yeah, if anyone, of course, has any questions or queries or problems, or can't do it, make sure you email me or Steve, and we can hopefully try and help you remotely.